Well, good evening. The little goats are, everybody's got their food and water and hay. Looks like they're doing pretty good. The little ones are having a good time. Yeah, Mr. Raj. Mr. Raj pretty rarely has a bad time. He wants to play all the time. These kids are eating crazy. Silly little goats. Miss Jenna's eating. She's so cute. Mr. Frost is busy reaching to clean up anything that anybody else has missed. Miss Jenna, I can see her tail sticking out. Start off by showing you guys Mr. Lloyd. And Mr. Lloyd is a happy little man too. Yeah. Miss Betty wants to play with Blondie. She wants to eat. Always hungry little goats. Oh, Miss Jenna. Miss Jasmine. So I didn't hear anything back from anyone about Milo. I'll ask again if anybody's ever grown Milo or sorghum. Although I don't really want to make or boil down sorghum syrup. I want sorghum seed grain so I can make feed for it. They tell me that you can clean it and pop it like popcorn or rice. It's supposed to be really good. It's like supposed to make little popcorn kernels, just like popcorn, but they're smaller and kind of sweet. That's what they tell me too. If you grind it for flour, it gets very sweet. But you can use it. It's got a little more protein than wheat, and appears to be, sounds like it's pretty easy to grow. Very very resistant to drought, and weeds don't really bother it because it's like corn. It grows straight up. And you just harvest the tops. So anyway, I want to hear somebody else's ideas. Said the U.S. is I read that the U.S. is like the third largest producer of Milo in the world, but almost all of ours goes for export or bird seed. So it's not millet, it's Milo. So anyway, if you have, please leave me a comment. I'd like to talk to you about it. Just thinking about putting in maybe an acre of it just to see how well it grows. Gives me a nice acre that I can put my old goat hay and compost and stuff like that. All the composted manure out to use as fertilizer. So, but everybody had a good day. It was a beautiful day out. Even the wind went down, and we were high of about 53 degrees, which I would think is pretty beautiful, or what I would call pretty beautiful. Not too hot, not too cold, with happy little goats all around. Yeah. These little ones are having a great time eating with their moms. That little face is so cute. But anyway, I want to tell you guys thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't, please subscribe. Hit the little bell for notifications of when I post another one. I usually post every day. And on weekends, I usually post 2 videos each day. So please subscribe, and I will talk with you later.